Yo! What's up mga kakulap? Yo! For today's video is color game! And the winner is mananalo ng 3,000 piso!
Color red, blue, green, blue, red, green, blue, blue. Okay. Okay, game. Blue, green, blue, green, blue, red, green.
Kailangan Joey eh. Tama ako dun, no?
Ayan, bilis naman. Okay. Red, blue, green, red, green, red, blue, green, red, blue, green.
Yo! At ang nanalo ngayon sa color coding ay si Boss Berto!